In this video, we're going to show how to create linear pattern in SolidWorks. Also, if you want my free SolidWorks Core Tools Handbook, you can click on the link below and you can get it for free. In this lecture, we're going to look at a tool, linear pattern. We can pattern faces, features, bodies in one or two directions. So first, let's create a body. Let's go to the top plane. Let's create a sketch. Let's go with a rectangle, like this. And let's click OK. Now let's go to features and let's extrude this rectangle 10 millimeters, like this. And now, for example, we want to create 5 instances of this solid feature in this direction and 5 instances in this direction. So total we want to have 25 instances. And we can do this by creating 25 sketches. But also we can go to features and we can use linear pattern. So let's choose here. And first we have to choose direction. So our direction will be along this edge, like this. And now here we can see the 5 instances, but here we want to increase the spacing. So let's increase the spacing to 100, like this. So working with the linear pattern here in features is the same like working with the linear sketch pattern, but instead of sketch, you're making pattern of a solid feature or a body or a face. And also we have here direction 2. So let's choose for direction 2 this edge, like this. Now let's increase the number of instances. Let's go to 5. Let's change direction. Let's check this off, reverse direction, like this. Now let's go down here. Let's open these instances to skip. Now we're going to choose instances that we want to skip. So we want to skip this instance. Let's click in the center. This one, and this one here. Like this. And now we can click OK. And now as we can see, we have some error here, some warning. We don't see our results. Let's go here and let's check what's wrong. Let's go edit feature. Let's go down. And now as we can see here, we have active features and faces. And we select this body under feature. We have to turn on bodies. So we have to select this body like this. And feature has to be off because this is body. And now we can click OK. And now we can see our result. So you want to make sure what you pattern, a feature, face, or body. So this is how you can use linear pattern in SolidWorks. And if you want my free book, SolidWorks Handbook Core Tools, you can click on the link below and you can get it PDF version for free.